Now we are done with the first part. We can start with second part, create new pattern. This part includes 3 windows. First one is my patterning area. When I am moving my mouse icon is changing the coordinates on the below, and drafting and lifting plans. I'm just creating a very simple pattern here, 2 twill. After creating my pattern, I just go to the toolbar and choose select button and select the notation, copy, and choose one cell and paste it. Choose one more cell and paste it. You can repeat it as much as you want and paste it. I'm done with the notation. I just want to color it now. To color, you can use left and top side black cells. Each one is symbolizing a yarn in that direction. Enter and left mouse click, choose one color. If you want to go on with that color, just one click. And if you want to change the color again, left mouse click and enter together. Now I just want to choose the warp colors, each yarn choosing color, and continue with that. To change it again, left mouse click and enter together, change the colors and enter and mouse click. Now I am done with my pattern. Now I have to set the dimensions of my pattern. As you can see, from 9 to 16 in warp direction. I'm just setting the values 9 to 16, and I do the same for the weft yarns from 49 to 56, as you can see on the downside. With this pattern I am not using any salvage, so salvage field is empty. Salvage is optional, you don't have to use it. After setting the dimensions of your pattern, just go to drafting on the toolbar and click on it. As you see, drafting is appearing automatically in the drafting section. If you want to change the order of hilt frames, just left click on it, move and drop. Left click, moving and dropping, changing the arrangement of hilt frames. And as you see, some yarns are sharing the same hilt frame, and right click on it, move, drag and drop, separates the yarn which use same hilt frames. Now if you are done with your hilt frame arrangement, just go to the toolbar and choose lifting plan. As you see, we are using 1 to 6 in the hilt frames. Just enter it and OK, creates the lifting plan. Now we came to the most exciting point. We want to see the result of our pattern. Just go to view, choose yarn, fabric yarn view. I mostly use this, and another frame is opening. Just click show, and this is our pattern. You can scale it, might make it much more bigger, and if you want, of course, you can also blur the colors to create a much more better effect on it. Apply effect, do this, and if you want, you can save this as a bitmap file again. I'm just saving it on the desktop. If you want, of course, you can save your pattern, drafting or lifting plan from the options at the right corner, or if you desire, you can work without any grids in the patterning field. And also you can scale all the windows. Now let's have a look at the pattern that we have created just now. Now this is our pattern. To clear the sections, just go to menu, delete, and delete any of the section, lifting plan, or hilt frames, or patterning area. And also, if you need to save your pattern, just go to File menu and just click Save and enter a name for your pattern that you have created, and it save it. Now whenever you need, you can use this pattern. To do this, just go to File, Open, and double click on the pattern that you have. Save it. Right click and delete. Removes the file permanently. Additionally, you can also send your pattern to the Quick Patterning Design. To do this, go to Tools, Send to Quick Patterning Design, and your pattern is sent to Quick Patterning Design for coloring. This is a very useful option. As you see, your raw pattern is appearing here in the first part. You can save this pattern into the list to use it later on. Enter a name and it's save it. Then you can also color this pattern. We want to use existing colors and just go to color it. Now it's colored. ViewKit is a very flexible software and very easy to learn, and it's answering all the demands of the viewers. Not only in work but also hobby viewers can use ViewKit. If you are somehow interested in weaving field, first thing that you have to have is ViewKit. You can order ViewKit anywhere in the world. It's a cheap product, it's reliable, and answering all your demands. Thanks for listening.